How to record screen with OBS. So if you want to record your screen with OBS, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to install OBS. So you can go with your Microsoft Store, or you can also go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And after that, go with search, and under search, you need to search for OBS. Once you've searched for OBS, here you will have the install option. You can just simply click on install and it will start the installing process. Now once it's installed, you can go and open the application. As you can see that I've already installed. I'm using the OBS to record the video right now. So you need to just open up your OBS. Once you open your OBS, now you don't have anything, you will not have any screens right here. So what you need to do is you just need simply go with the plus, which is right here on the bottom left, and you'll be able to add a scene. So you can go with OK and then add a scene. After adding your scene here under sources, you need to go with sources, you need to go with the plus, and from here you will be able to add your sources. So if you want to get the capture, display capture, you can click on display capture and it will capture your display. And you will also have all of the other options like audio output capture, audio input capture, the browser, color source, display capture, image, media source, scene, video capture device, Windows capture, and many more options. So you can simply go with the options that you would like. I've just selected these three, which are enough for me. And here you will have audio mixer. You'll be able to see your audio mixer right here, and you will have your scene transitions if you want to transition your. And here you will have your scene transitions. You'll be able to adjust the fade, the duration of your transition, and here you will have the controls. You can go and start your recording or streaming. You'll be able to use your virtual camera, and here you will have your settings. You can go with settings, and under settings you will have all of these settings. So you can go with the general setting and you can select all of the settings like the theme. If you want a dark theme, you can select dark theme, and you will have the streaming settings, output settings, audio, video settings. So for example, I'll just simply go with audio, and here you can adjust your audio. And if you go with video, in my case I'm using the video output, so I won't be able to adjust the settings of video. If you go with output, then here you will have your output mode. So under general, you can scroll down and here you will have the projectors, system tray, preview. You can go with the advanced section, and from here you can select your video format, the color space, and the recording settings. And once you've done with all of these settings, you can go with apply and OK. And here you will have start or stop recording. You can just simply click on these, and if you want to pause, you can also go with the pause option. So that's how you can record on OBS, or that's how you can record screen on OBS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.